Hello students, how are you? So today we are going to discuss about union of set and intersection of set. What is union? Union means, as it is clear from its words, union means united. If suppose five men and five other men, or five men of a party, suppose we are taking political example, like five members of one party united with five member of other parties, then they will be known as union. Union, it means different elements are combining together. So similarly in sets, for example, set A contains different type of elements and set B contain different type of element, and if we are combining them, we are making a group, then it will be known as union of both the sets. So let us clear with example. Union of set, firstly we are looking for union, then we'll go for intersection. So union of set denoted by this sign, okay. So for example, if A is equal to what, 1 2 3 4, and set B is equal to what, 2 5 6 8, set B is what, 2 5 6 8. And one more thing, set is always or mostly it is denoted by curly bracket or middle bracket. So A union B, find A union B, that should be equal to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 8. Make sure no element should be repeated in a same set. No element should be repeated in a same set, because here you see 2 is in set B also, 2 is in set A also, but we will write, when we are taking its union or intersection, we will write once only. We will write this two once only. So this will be A union B. And some more example, if we take, suppose again set A equal to 1 3 5 7, set B equal to 3 5 7, then what will be A union B? What will be A union B? So A union B will be, as you know, 1 3 5 7, 1 3 5 7, and in this case A union became A. A union became A because 3 5 7 is already there in set A. 3 5 7 is already there in set A, or you can say B is subset of A. That we will discuss in next video. What is subset of a set. So here A union B will be 1 3 5 7. It means whatever the elements are there, if you want to take, suppose 3 sets are there, or in this only I am making one more set, I am taking one more set like this, C set 1 4 8 9 for example, and someone is asking A union B union C, find A union B union C. Then what you will do, first of all you will take A union B. So we'll just put bracket to make it clear. A union B will be what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 8, and then union C, so in union element of C is what, 1 4 8 9. So if final answer will be what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9. This will be final answer. A union B union C, this will be final answer. Now let us move for intersection. So intersection of set. Again, firstly let us discuss about intersection. Intersection is nothing, the common part. Intersection is nothing, just a common part. For example, if I am studying in 10th class, and if I am going for a coaching, it means I am in both place. I am in class 10th also, and I am in coaching class also. So if you will find the intersection between my classroom and my coaching room, then I will be that factor, I will be that element. Similarly in set also, if in two sets whichever the elements are common, that will be intersection part or intersection element of those two sets. And one more things that is very important, you make sure if nothing is common, if nothing is common, then phi will be common to both, then phi will be common to both. It means intersection will have at least one element in terms of phi. If there is no common, then for example, if a is equal to, and it is denoted by this sign, reverse u you can say. So this is a equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and b equal to 3 5 2 4, then okay, then a intersection b, a intersection b, a intersection b will be what is common? 3 is in both, okay, 3 will be common. Then 5 in both the set, 5 will be common. Then 2 will also be common. Then 4 will also be common. So this will be what? This will be a intersection b. In this case, coincidentally it came b only, it came b only. One more example if you want to take, let us take set a equal to 2 4 6 8 and set b equal to 1 3 5 7. So here you can see what is common to both. Here 1 2 all the even number, all the odd number, nothing is common. So then what will be common? Phi is common. What will be common? Phi. So we are writing phi or we are writing blank. This is or, and these are the method to write the empty set. These are the way to write the empty set. Don't write like this. This is totally wrong. This is totally wrong because it shows a element. It does not show the empty set. It shows one element as like phi. So please make sure you have to write single phi only without middle bracket or this middle bracket with nothing or empty set like this. So this will be a intersection b for this. And sometimes if I'll ask you set a is equal to set of all natural number capital N, and b is what? Set of all integer, as you know integer capital Z. So what will be a intersection b? So what will be a intersection b? So as you know, if you will write this set of all the natural number 1 to infinity, set of all the integer minus to infinity, minus for negative also and positive also integer number, it means a intersection b will be what? Set of all natural number, set of all natural number. So I think so this is good enough for your union of set and intersection of set. In next video we'll see set builder form, roster form and subset. Set builder form, roster form and subset of set. Thank you.